Handling an account review on Etsy can be a straightforward process if you know the steps to follow. Here is a guide to help you navigate through it effectively. Step 1. Understand the review process. Familiarize yourself with why Etsy conducts account reviews. This can include compliance with policies, seller performance, or customer feedback. Knowing the reasons can help you prepare a response. Step 2. Check your email. Look for any communication from Etsy regarding the review. They may provide specific details about what triggered the review and any actions you need to take. Make sure to read all instructions carefully. Step 3. Review your shop policies. Ensure that your shop policies are up to date and comply with Etsy guidelines. This includes shipping, returns, and customer service practices. Make any necessary adjustments to align with Etsy standards. Step 4. Gather necessary documentation. If Etsy requests additional information or documentation, gather everything they might need. This could include proof of inventory, invoices, or any other relevant records that demonstrate your compliance with their policies. Step 5. Respond promptly. Once you have all the necessary information, respond to Etsy as quickly as possible. Provide clear and concise answers to their inquiries and attach any required documentation. Timely communication can help resolve the review efficiently. In conclusion, handling an account review on Etsy requires understanding the process, being proactive in communication, and ensuring compliance with policies. Following these steps can help you navigate the review smoothly.